In this video, you'll learn how to remove CMS from Webflow. By following these steps, you will successfully delete a collection and its associated collection page from your project. First, navigate to the Webflow dashboard and locate the project titled Marvelo Shop. Once you're on the project page, look for the CMS section in the left sidebar. Clicking on this section will open the CMS interface where you can manage your collections. After entering the CMS interface, find the gear icon, which is typically located near the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon opens the settings for the selected collection. If the option to delete the collection appears grayed out, it indicates that there may be restrictions preventing deletion, such as dependent items. Next, check the items listed within the collection. If there are 5 or more items present, you will need to select these items first. To do this, click on the checkbox next to each item you want to delete. Once selected, look for the button labeled Delete at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this button initiates the deletion process for the selected items. Once the items have been deleted, return to the gear icon and click it again. This will bring you back to the collection settings. Now, you should see the option to delete collection. Clicking this will prompt a warning message indicating that this action will permanently remove the collection and its associated page. It's important to read this warning carefully. Once you confirm the deletion, neither the collection nor its page can be restored. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the button labeled Delete in this confirmation message. This final action will complete the removal of the CMS collection from your Webflow project. After completing these steps, ensure that you refresh your project to confirm that the collection has been successfully removed. You can do this by navigating back to the CMS section to verify that the collection no longer appears in your list. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.